Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and on your screen you see the new Cartier Santos de Cartier large model. Blue is king here. Various executions are available. Either the watch features a silver colored dial and you may combine it either with a blue rubber strap or a bracelet, or you choose the blue dial. So lots of things to discover with that new Santos de Cartier.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
We are talking about the large model of the Santos de Cartier. So the measurements or the sizes of that case are 39.8 millimeter in width, 47.5 millimeter in length. That is also equal to the lug-to-lug distance. So the lug-to-lug distance of the case is 47.5 millimeter, and the thickness is 9.37 millimeter. This case, typical Cartier case, is waterproof up to 100 meter. So quite okay. You are ready to go wherever you want on a weekend or on holidays, etc., etc. 100 meter is already something. And it is the very first time that Cartier has a patterned bezel with horizontal grooves and is coated in blue PVD. Yep, and you see, it looks gorgeous. Let's just quickly also talk about the screws. The screws remain as they are, functional, so they are not aligned or something else. The screws are functional, and yeah, they are screwed in at a certain torque, and when the torque is achieved, then they stay as they are. And now, interesting enough, you have two dials available, either the blue dial, and you can clearly see that the dial is echoing those horizontal lines or grooves that you see on the bezel, and this is done for the very first time, so it's a completely new look of a dial. And nicely to see is the contrast when you look at the blue dial, the deep blue, navy blue dial, with the white hands or white hands. They are filled with super luminova for a better readability in darkness, and the silver dial with as well the blue hands filled, as you clearly see here, also with a super luminova. So it's up to you to choose either the blue dial or the silver dial, and then combine as you want the bracelet or the rubber strap. Do you have to pay extra? No, they come both. So when you buy this Santos de Cartier, you will get the nicely looking rubber strap, and of course you get also the bracelet. So it is you who changes it. And do you need any tooling? No, you don't. Let me show you this. I am now pointing with my legendary Bergeon pointer, plastic pointer, to say it once again. So this pointer will not scratch anything I touch. So I'm touching that little push piece that is clearly visible on your screen, and if you just push on it, then you will be able to easily take off either the bracelet or the strap. That's no rocket science. Everybody can do that. It's really easy and simple, and as you like and as you prefer to wear your Santos, you choose. The bracelet has a folding clasp, a double folding clasp with a security, and the strap also features a folding clasp with a security, and you can adjust the length at any length you want by just getting into that specific loop, and then you close it, so you really have the possibility to adjust it exactly to the length of your wrist without any difficulties. So, and if you're wondering if either the bracelet or the strap are tapering, they do. 21 in between the lugs and 18 in the folding clasp, so 21 to 18. This Santos de Cartier is powered by the movement 1847MC. That means Manufacture Cartier. This is a movement that was introduced in 2015, the first time in the Cartier Clé collection and a movement that was supposed to replace the ETA 2892 calibers. At the time being, it is a movement exactly with the same dimensions. It's a 4 Hz movement, 28,800 semi-oscillations of the balance wheel, and as the 2892 features a power reserve of only 42 hours. That might be a little bit of a disadvantage, and it would be nice, honestly, here to see an improvement done by Cartier to really push that power reserve a little bit to maybe 60 hours. And for the specialists among you, I will show you something funny. I did the mistake when I was playing around with those watches and filming them at Watches and Wonders. You can clearly see that on the bracelet there is indicated either 6 o'clock or 12 o'clock. This helps you, of course, and if I would have looked really carefully, I would not have done that mistake by clipping in the bracelet upside down, so you can see where my pointer is. Once there is written 12H and on the other side 6H, and this helps you quickly to know on which side you clip in the bracelet. So that, and that, of course, the butterfly folding clasp opens up in the right sense. Talking about wrist, this watch really looks good and literally hugs due to its form your wrist. So my wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.7 inches, and you clearly see that the watch hugs the wrist perfectly and looks good, goes under the sleeves as well, and still is, yeah, a sporty looking watch that you can wear either on a daily basis or, yeah, for whatever you want to do. Even combined in an elegant outfit, it will always look good. It is the Santos de Cartier. You can't change anything. Very iconic design in the watch that has, yeah, that is recognized from, let's say, a good distance on your wrist when you're wearing it, because there are not many or almost none looking like it. The Santos de Cartier large model in this blue combinations you may choose is sold, I said it before, with the strap and the bracelet for €8,000 including taxes, and you choose the color of the dial. And what you get then, you get, yeah, the two versions, the rubber strap and the bracelet are both included in the price of €8,000. So if you're looking for an alternative to those, too much hyped steel sport watches, I don't want to name any brands here, but you of course know what I'm talking about. So if you're looking for a cool alternative, the Cartier could be it. Go and try it, put it on your wrist, and maybe you will be as delighted as I was when I was trying that watch. I didn't expect it to so perfectly fit on the wrist. Look good, yeah, blue, it's blue. I am a big fan of blue, that's me, I know, but try it, and yeah, once you did it, or even after watching the video, please leave your comments. Let's talk about, or let's write and read, not talk, but write and read about it, and what you think about that Cartier. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for being here on WatchAdvisor on YouTube. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to check out all the other videos we have been taping during Watches and Wonders this year and all the novelties 2022. Bye bye and see you soon back here on WatchAdvisor on YouTube.